Hello everyone, here is Guilherme Medina, and in our quick lesson today I will show you an example about how to classify QuaPol SAR images in eCognition developer environment. First of all, we can perform the SAR filtering for each polarization directly in the eCognition environment. So we have here the polarization HH, HV, VH, and VV already filtering in the eCognition environment. And we create our color composition using the filtered layers. In the next step, we have the multi-resolution segmentation using only the filtered layers and the scale parameter as 30 and shape as 0.2 and compactness as 0.5. Now we have the objects and they already have samples for each classes that we call water in blue, deforestation in red, and forest in green. As you can see, we have samples for each of those classes. Here, here, and here for deforestation. Here for forest. This one here. Okay, and we have already collect these samples to performing the nearest neighbor classification, as you can see in the class description. For water, for deforestation, and forest. So we have for water, deforestation, forest, the class description defined. Here is the final result with the classification. Is the final classification result. As you can see, we can apply some transparency in our layer to reduce or to increase the transparency. And finally, a classification summarize. For any information about our trainings or our products, please access our webpage skygis.com.br or send us an email for cursos@skygis.com.br or guilhermemedina@skygis.com.br. I hope you enjoy it and see you soon.